Next example, if tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle. Here 2a is acute angle. It means 2a is less than 90 degrees. Okay, acute angle, it means the angle should be less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Here find the a value. Okay, here we have to find a value. Given condition is tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. We want to equal the angles. Okay, see tan cot, but here we have different signs. Tan cot. Okay, so cot a minus 18 degrees, write it as tan 90 degrees minus a minus 18 degrees. We know 2a is an acute angle. Okay, 2a is less than 90 degrees. So a is also less than 90 degrees. We have already discussed trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Tan 90 minus theta equal to, since tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Okay, tan 90 minus theta, here theta equal to a minus 18 degrees equal to cot theta. Okay, theta equal to a minus 18 degrees. Okay, tan 2a equal to tan 90 minus a minus 18 degrees. Okay, see here left hand side tan, right hand side tan. Okay, tan 2a equal to tan 90 minus a minus 18 degrees, same signs. So 2a equal to 90 minus a minus 18 degrees. Okay, 2a equal to 90 minus a, minus into minus, it will become plus. Minus a comes to this side, it will become plus. 2a plus a, 3a equal to 90 plus 18, 108. A equal to 108 by 3. 3 3s 9. 3 6 18. Okay, here a equal to 36 degrees. Next example, if tan a equal to cot b, prove that a plus b equal to 90 degrees. Okay, here given condition tan a equal to cot b. Cot b, write it as tan 90 minus b. Okay, complementary angles. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Okay, cot b, write it as tan 90 minus b. Tan a equal to tan 90 minus b, then a equal to 90 degrees minus b. Minus b comes to this side, plus b. A plus b equal to 90 degrees. See, prove that a plus b equal to 90 degrees. Hence proved. Next example, if secant 4a equal to cosecant a minus 20 degrees, where 4a is an acute angle, it means 4a is less than 90 degrees. Find the value of a. Okay, given condition is secant 4a equal to cosecant a minus 20 degrees. Here you have to find a value. See, secant, cosecant, different trigonometric ratios. Okay, in this case we can't equal the angles. Okay, so secant 4a, write it as cosecant 90 minus 4a. Here 4a is an acute angle. It should be less than 90 degrees. Okay. We know cosecant 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. Cosecant a minus cosecant. Same trigonometric ratios. Then 90 minus 4a equal to a minus 20 degrees. Minus 4a comes to this side, minus a, minus 20 plus 90 comes to this side, it will become minus 20 minus 90 minus 110, 4a a minus 5a, minus get cancel, a equal to 110 by 5, then a equal to 22 degrees. Okay, here a value 22 degrees. Next example, if a comma b and c are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2. Okay, we know sum of the interior angles of a triangle. In triangle ABC, sum of the angles a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees. Then b plus c equal to 180 degrees minus plus a comes to this side, it will become minus 180 minus a. Okay, apply sin on both sides. Sin b plus c, sorry, here b plus c equal, we have to prove sin b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2. Okay, first divide with 2 on both sides. Okay, b plus c by 2 on both sides equal to 180 degrees minus a by 2. b plus c by 2 equal to 90. 180 by 2 minus a by 2. b plus c by 2 equal to 90 degrees minus a by 2. Okay, apply sin on both sides. Sin trigonometric ratio, sin b plus c by 2 equal to sin 90 minus a by 2. Sin b plus c by 2 equal to sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Here theta equal to a minus 2. Okay, see, cos b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2. Okay, here using sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, hence proved. Next example, express sin 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degrees. See, angles sin 67 degrees cos 75 degrees. 67 and 75 degrees are not in between 0 and 45 degrees. Okay, here we have to express these angles, so are in between 0 and 45 degrees. Okay, sin 67, write it as sin 90 minus 23. 90 minus 23 equal to 67. Cos 75 degrees, write it as sin cos 90 minus 15 degrees. 90 minus 15 equal to 75. Okay, we know trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Okay, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Theta equal to 23 degrees. Cos 90 minus 15 degrees. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Sin 15 degrees. Okay, see 23 and 15 are in between 0 and 45 degrees. Okay, so sin 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees equal to cos 23 degrees plus sin 15 degrees. Okay.